Hey second graders, this is Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to be working on subtraction using three-digit numbers. Now, our first problem, 941 minus 587. So with subtraction, we're only going to draw our first number. So I'm going to draw my magnifying glass around my top number, and that's the number that I'm going to draw here to get my place value chart set up. So I have 900s. I am still going to use the chip model. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900. We have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 1 1. Now with subtraction, this is our whole, and we're going to take part of it away. So we're starting with this amount, 941, and I want to take away 587. So we start with our ones. I need to take away 7 ones, but I don't have enough. So I'm going to come over to my tens, bring this over, and remember we said that 10 ones equals a 10. So if I bring this 10 over here, I'm going to break it up into the 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So I moved the 10 from here to here. Still 10. Now I have enough to take away my 7 ones. So I'm going to cross out 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 left. The way that looks here on our vertical form is we had 10 and one more is 11. So this one was 11. And we have 3 tens left. And we have, once we crossed out our 7 ones, we were left with 4. So that's how we solve it in vertical form. Now I'm going to cross out 8 tens. 1, 2, 3. I don't have enough tens to cross out 8 tens. But if you remember, 10 tens equals 100. So I can bring 100 over here, which is the same as 10 tens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I grabbed this 100, I brought it over here, and I broke it up into 10 tens. Just like I took this 10, brought it to the ones, and I broke it up into 10 ones. Sorry about that. Okay, so now we can cross out 8 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here, so we had 3 left, and we added 10. 3 plus 10 is 13. So we had 13 in our tens. When we subtracted 8, we were left with 5. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hundreds. I have 8 hundreds, and I'm going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Three-digit subtraction has a few steps. I'm going to show you the same strategy again with a new problem. Here's our next problem. 624 minus 225. So with subtraction, first we use our magnifying glass. This is kind of just to focus on this top number, and that's the number that we draw out when we get our place value chart set up. So 600, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 600. Now we have how many tens? 2, 1, 2. How many ones? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? If you're not to this point and you need to pause the video, that's fine. You can pause it at any point you need to. All right, now we're going to come to our ones. This is where we always start to subtract. Start with your ones. We want to take away 5 ones. I don't have enough ones. I only have 4 and I need 5. So I'm going to come to my tens. And I'm going to bring it over here. And remember, 10 ones makes a 10. So I'm just going to break up that 10 into 10 ones. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I've taken my 10 and brought it here and have 10 ones now. So now I have 10 ones and 4 more. That gives me 14. And now instead of 2 tens in the tens place value, we only have 1 10. Okay? So now we're going to cross out 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 left. So I'm going to draw a 9 here, here. Now we're going to come to our tens. I need to take away 2 tens. I only have 1 10 here. So I'm going to grab 100, bring it on over, and remember that the 100, 10 tens equals 100. So again, I'm going to draw 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have my 10 tens and 1 more gives me 11 tens. So we have 11 tens and we're going to take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And we took 100 to make that group, that extra group of tens. So now we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds. Okay? Now we're going to cross out 2 hundreds. 1, 2. How many hundreds are left? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 399. Now we can use addition. I know we're doing subtraction, but we can use addition to see if our answer is correct. It's called checking your answer using addition. So 225 is part of this 624. 399 is the other part. So if we were talking about part, whole, these two are the parts, and this is the whole. So if we added our 2 parts together, 225 plus 399, our answer should be 624. And if you get that top answer, then you know that you've done your subtraction correctly. So let's see. 9 plus 5 is going to give us 14. We'll put our 1 on the line below. 9 plus 2 is going to give you 11 and 12. So 2, and you're going to put your 1 in the hundreds on the line below. 5, 6. So our answer should match 624. 624. So that means we did our addition, we did our subtraction correctly. Okay, now it's time for you to go and work on the exit ticket. You will be working on 3-digit subtraction. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.